Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can create an AI on Messenger. It's super easy. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account and connect with the good internet, and then you have to do is click on main menu at the bottom right corner, and then you will pop-ups over here. So you will see bunch of options over here. You can see the third menu over here, like friend request, chat with else, or like you can see over here create an AI. So click on that, and then you will pop-ups over here. Describe your AI, like information. I want to create like for information, and click on next. And what do you describe your AI personality? Teacher, monitor, guide. Simply click on I want to guide. So I want guide, and you can see over here what are some of your AI personality trails: direct, confident, or like these, and playful. And that's it. Click on next. And then what does your AI look like? So I want to like same as the picture, so click on that next, and give it to your AI name. Like I want to give it a scale up AI. So click on next. You can do as you want to add your name as well. You can give it to any name that you want to add over here. So click on next, and then introduction. How is your AI introduced to people? So like get facts and state from the source, and review. Click on review, and as you can see, your AI has created so click on that chat with AI, and then click on next, or you can simply go back and check it out, your AI chat with AI. I'm clicking on that. Preparing this may take a minute or like seconds to prepare your AI. So like you can simply check it out, or you can change the privacy as well, and where to. As you can see, your AI is done, and you can see your AI is created. And whenever you want to chat with your AI, you can simply click on AI and chat with it, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.